Today, folks, I'm going to be displaying a Stirling engine model by Star Power. It's a 2 flywheel model. It's Chinese. It's top of the box, made in China. Basically, we're going to be trying out today this model right here. As you can see, as I said before, the 2 flywheels. You have the hot piston, cold piston, and you have the boiler over here. We're going to be seeing how this works. As you can see, I've already added the solution, 90% isopropyl alcohol, and we're going to give this a go, see how it works. Okay, it's lit up. We can give this guy a little startup spin here. There we go. And there she goes. She's taking off. It seems to be a very smooth. You can see the RPMs are very high. Very well made item. I think that Sunnytech did a very good job with this model. I have to admit, this is a very good Stirling engine. A good conversation starter. Okay, folks.